Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you how you can earn $380 for every 10 minutes of your work and over again. And this is really awesome lifetime earning you can do. But before I show you that, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So let's move on to the method to how you can earn like $380 just for 10 minutes of your work. Yeah, this is true. Before I show you that, I'm going to suggest to you that you have to be active and you have to follow step by step that I show you right now. The site I'm going to show you is offervault.com. Offervault.com is a really good database of every CPA offers around the world. This is a top class site where you can see most popular and most branded CPA offers, even newer CPA offers and branded sites from branded sites that going to work really well. And CPA is stands for cost per action. So this is a great way to earn money online. If you are not new to CPA, this is a you do not have to sell anything. You do not have to ask people's money. You are just you are just promote some offers that people are going to participate for free and you get money for that is called CPA, cost per action. People just going to submit some email or pins and that's it, you will get money. The people that you are promoting to do not have to use their credit cards, use their money to participate in your offer. And this is the powerful part of CPA because this is very easy and very convenient for everyone to work with. So if I move on to offervault.com, you can see that they have a big database of various CPA marketing companies, thousands of CPA offers they are listing day by day. Every day you will just refresh and it will show newer CPA offers every day. So for this strategy today, how we can make more than $300 and just for 10 minutes of work, I am going to show you the gift card method. So if I search it here like gift card, then it will show all the gift cards that are listed on offervault.com, and you can see that these are all top gift cards offered. They have sorted out and you can see the payments here. You can see the offer title and you can see the payments here like $38, $40, $36. For instance, it will go on. They many CPA marketing company are paying you this amount of money to you, and you can't believe this money is just for any user. Just one user just submit their email or enter this contest and that's it, you will going to get $38. For instance, if I click on this offer right here like $100 Media Market gift card, and this page will show that how these offers look. It will show the screenshot here, the offer page. When you promote this offer, people are going to see this page, and you can see that this page has a simple two-filled form and a button here that will going to get people's attraction. If I click on this image right here, it will load and you can see that this is the page that people are going to see. And this isn't it very interesting and isn't it good to promote? People are love to enter this type of offers, and everyone just enter their email and password or like that and continue. It's not anything else needed. People just enter it and you get $38 per action, cost per action. And there are lots of companies out there, they are promoting these offers. If you want to promote this offer, you have to get a referral link for that offer that is customized especially for you. So all you have to do is join that CPA network. So for instance, if for this network, if I click on run offer, this page will show up. This CPA network company is giving this offer to you, so you have to sign up to their company, and it's very easy. You just enter your first name, last name, email, and your mailing address, your city, your country, and just simple questions that's going to let them know how you are doing your business or marketing. And write something in the description here, advertisement method description. This is really important. You just let them know how you are going to promote their affiliate link so that they can earn money and they can get users, and you earn money for that. And they definitely, if you be honest with them, and definitely they are going to accept you after you submit these applications, and then you will get your affiliate link for this offer right away, and you just start promoting it. So I am going to show you a great way by which you can get lots of traffic to your referral link. But before that, if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below and stay tuned with my channel and like this video. So move on to the next stage where you get traffic to your referral link, and that is free. You do not have to pay. You can pay for many paid traffics, but I'm going to show you in this video is a free traffic way, and this is awesome. And the site I recommend is answers.com. This is a great site that has near 8 billion user, 8 million I think, and they are really getting better day by day. And this is a question answer sites. People's all around the world asking for many things, and people's or expert and various experts around the world are answering those questions. So all you have to do is, you don't have to be an expert on anything. You just have to work on some specific keyword or niche. So if you go to their business and finance section here right in the bottom, this is the link, business and finance section, and they have much more categories. But as we are making gift cards promotions, so we are interested in business and finance section, and this will show all the business and finance related question answers are just listed here. So you go in the search section of answers.com and you search for like how to make money online and so on. If I search like that, and this result will show related to my search, and all the answers are listed here, and top answers and all the other related questions and answers are showing you here. There you can see there are lots of answers, and lots of questions related to how to make money online. And all you have to do is just find some answers related to your make money online keywords. You can just write make money, how to make money online, or you can search for how to get some pocket money, or you can click for free. You can search for free giveaway. Okay, you can search for free gift cards like that, and so on. You can search for you can see all the gift card related answers, all the giveaway related answers. When you just type, it will show those related questions, and you just search it, and all the answers related to your search will show here. And now you just hit login and register here with your email or Facebook or Google, and then you're good to go with answering questions. What you do here is pick a keyword, search for it, and see what people are answering, and then you also answer those questions. Right, if you just search it on Google, you can find many answers, and you just read that answers and write it in your own words and answer that questions there. And the right below, you just paste it. Like, this is the way to earn money online, but you can also check out this link to get $100 right now, or get some money right now to start your day. This is the way you can ask people to click on your link. And also, if you can ask to contact you to your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, so that when people see your answers and interested to contact you for your offer, you can promote your affiliate link there as well. So this is a really great earning opportunity, because answers.com is going to grow day by day like other big sites around the world. So this is a one-time work. If you post your answers here, this is going to stay till the end of this site. So this is a lifelong opportunity. Your link, when you post your affiliate link there, those links or those offers are going to stay forever in these sites, and people around the world is going to see your site. When anyone search on these type of words on Google, and these answers.com answers will pops up in the first page of Google, and people going to see your site for the upcoming years. And if the offer is valid, you will get money for your lifetime. And obviously you can earn more money by answering more questions regularly. You have to do regular work. So that is why this is the method. That is why I always told you, be active, money will follow you. You answer every day, participate and promote your work, and then it will add up more and more, and you can earn thousands of money. So till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.